You're welcome. In today's video, we'll be making low budget buttercream. This low budget buttercream turned out so beautiful, lovely, and I don't know how to explain it, but it's so nice to work with. So all you need is 600 grams of butter, and you go in with your 1 kg of icing sugar. Make sure you sieve your icing sugar. Very important. You need water and also your vanilla flavor. That's Madagascar I'm using. Okay, right now, first thing to do is to cream your butter perfectly well. Make sure it's light and fluffy, and you start adding your sieved icing sugar. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome to Progressive Recipes. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, and I do different pastries I know you will love. Feel free to be a part of this channel, and don't forget to subscribe if today is your first time. You can see how sleeky and light that butter is looking. That is perfectly what yours needs to look like before you start adding the icing sugar. Add a little bit and you start adding water when it's looking so hard. The serious truth, I'm trying to derive a sleeky light texture soft buttercream today because it will help me work easily on my cake. So work with me today. Like I said, this is a low budget buttercream, and I promise you it will be turning out beautiful. After this video, make sure you subscribe to be getting alerts of my new video, because I'm going to decorate cake with this buttercream, and you can see the outcome, how pretty and beautiful the outcome will be. So you can see, add a little icing sugar, a little water, a little icing sugar. Please be careful. All I'm looking for is a good working texture. Please don't over add your water, please. And again, if you're buying icing sugar, please buy extra, so that when the water is much, you can spread out more to the buttercream. So right now I'm adding gently at a time, and I mixed all my icing sugar. I'll walk through till everything is done. Can you see where we are now? Isn't this looking sleeky, soft, light, lovely? Yay! The weather is pretty cold here, so I decided to make a light texture for today's icing today. Let's see how it worked today. So please, if you're in Nigeria, please let your own not be like this. If not, a little sun, my dear, your buttercream will just flow out. So please just drop a little. Make sure your own is a bit hard. The last buttercream I made, I told you, is a buttercream that dries out as fast as possible. So do well by watching that video. Please, if you're making your own, add just a little water to help it dry off easily, especially if you have hot weather where you're staying. But here is pretty cold, so I don't mind. So a little color. Today I'm going to use pink and orange mixed with red color. Let's see the outcome of the colors. Please, I love using liquid and best color. Please, if you're using liquid and best color, also be mindful of the way you add water. Instead, add color before adding more water so that you will not over add the water. Look at that color, this baby pink, looking so yummy in the eyes. So we'll walk all through and get that ready for decoration. Have you liked this video? Isn't this looking beautiful? Can you please give me thumbs up, like this video, and feel free to explore my channel. I have more than 500 videos I know you will love, so feel free to be a part of Progressive Recipes. After creaming this, please take your time to make sure there is no lumps. I just removed the one I saw right now, so make sure there is no lump in your buttercream. This is looking perfectly. So the next bowl will be missing what's the color, orange and red, to derive a beautiful color. So that is that. Isn't this beautiful? So Miss Orchard. So the slickness, is there any English like slickness? Just like the light texture of the buttercream is taking me to another level. I love it so much. So look at that, looking so beautiful. Look at that. Okay, let's mix up this one. Orange color and red color we're mixing together. Let's see the outcome. The outcome was so beautiful and nice. Have you liked my video? Have you subscribed to my channel? Feel free to be a part. Welcome someone to this channel. I have a lot you have to learn, and my videos are well detailed. So many people here can testify that. So feel free to be a part of this lovely channel. Do you want to be seeing my face? Feel free to join my lifestyle channel at Mrs. Progress Innocent channel on YouTube. Subscribe to that channel. Isn't this beautiful? Thanks a million for watching. Don't mix the decoration